Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and skip an exercise on a ladder. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official ladder application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for ladder, find application and install it. So after installing it and opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and buy a subscription if you do not already have a free trial, because ladder cannot be used for free. So once we have done that, this is going to be the main page. First things we can do is to go and choose our theme in the bottom right corner to go ahead and see different workouts we can do depending on what we want to work out with. So here you can go and select your theme, after which we can go to the workout page and get started with starting an exercise. So you can start an exercise by tapping on it right here. That's going to enable you to start any exercise, and by clicking the start workout option is going to enable you to get ahead and get into it. So if you want to skip an exercise, what you can do is go and take a look at all the exercises you have right here and click the skip button. So basically you can enter its details and select the swipe option at the top to change it. So as you can see here at the bottom screen, you can see the percentages of the exercises that you have and that you need to do. So from here you can just go and click on the one you want to swap out with a different one, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.